Okay, real quick, I just want to show. So I got my 2 wire harnesses. I got them just resting right here. You can see down in here. There's a hole in the firewall right where my finger is. So it's just about 4 inches to the top left of the main firewall down there. And I got my 2 wires rolling through there. That was probably the toughest part. Let's take a look. You actually have to like wrap it up and then pull it down. Here I got my wire harnesses where I will wire my switches up. Got some on Amazon. I'll throw the link in the description of this video. Mine are the smaller switches. Where are they? Oh, right here. So usually there's 2 sizes of Toyota switches. Mine are the smaller ones. Okay, so I have it installed. Pretty snug. There's the extension bracket. Get that going. Okay, I think I got it all done. Overall, the brackets were super easy to install. Perfect fit. Good job, Rago guys. I'll just take you through it. So on this side, so I've got some rigids. Got one amber, one white. Ran the Deutsch plugs right here. Popped this out. Ran my cable wiring just up along the top. There's spots to zip tie. I'm gonna add some more lights here in a month or 2, so I didn't go crazy with cleaning it up yet, but I'll make sure it's pretty clean. To review, the firewall is right here. There's a little round plug. I drilled through that I pulled that round plug out and ran the cables through it. I've just got some extra wiring right there. I got my relays right here. I do need to get a relay holder eventually, but there's a plastic piece that covers all this up. And then wired straight to my battery. And then if we go right in here, here's my, so this is LED light bar, and there's my fog lights. Okay, here we go. Got my lights hooked up. I think they're aimed all right. We'll see on our test drive.
Have you ever felt like you don't know what to do? Oh, yes. Yes, I do.